To use speech-to-text on Windows 11, you'll first, of course, need an app that lets you type in text. I'm using Notepad here just to demonstrate this, but it doesn't matter what you're doing this with. Word, Notes, email, could be anything. To trigger speech-to-text, we're going to hold down the Windows key and the letter H on your keyboard. You'll see this little speech tool open up, and this is what we're going to use to start entering text into our document. There's a couple of important settings you might want to change though, so I will click in the settings, which is that little gear icon here, and a big one is automatic punctuation. When you turn this on, the computer will automatically detect natural pauses in your speech and add punctuation to the text based on that. You can also enable the voice typing launcher, and this will basically bring up the speech-to-text tool anytime you enter a text box on your computer, meaning you don't always have to use the keyboard shortcut to bring this up. Could be distracting and annoying to some, but some people love having it always handy. Once you're done, you'll just click the microphone, and now anything I say will get input in my text document. Depending on your computer, there might be a slight delay between your speech and when you see the text. And if you're used to something like iPhones or Androids where the text appears on your screen pretty much immediately, it might feel a little different at first. Once you're done, you just click that microphone button again, and that's basically it. Now, even with the auto punctuation on, there are a few commands that are good to know. Anything from adding a new paragraph or adding a line break or deleting or erasing words or sentences if you got something wrong. So it could be helpful to memorize some of these. They might come in handy as you're using speech-to-text on your computer. And that's how you use speech-to-text. Subscribe for more quick guides like this, drop me a comment if this helped, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks all!